You may need to replace your window's balance if the sash is difficult to lift, won't stay open, or rises without you touching it. Supplies needed: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and replacement balance system. Open your window a few inches, then tilt the sash in at a 90-degree angle and remove it from the frame. Depending on the brand and size of your window, your balance may look different. Please use the following diagram to help with the remainder of the replacement. Insert the screwdriver into the cam of the balance and turn it 90 degrees, then lift it into the knockout. Keep a firm grip on the screwdriver when engaging or disengaging the clutch to prevent injury or damage to the window balance or frame. Remove the center screw holding the balance in place. If replacing the balance on a larger window, your balance may have 2 screws. Remove the balance. Start by carefully tilting the coil out, followed by the clutch. Before replacing the balance, check that the replacement balance has the same number as shown on the window's current balance. Installing the incorrectly rated balance can lead to the sash flying open or being difficult to open. If the numbers do not match up, please contact customer service. Replace the balance. Start by inserting the clutch into the cutout, ensuring that the coil is facing towards the interior of the house. Align the balance to the hole in the frame, then insert the screw. Be careful not to strip the screw. Insert the screwdriver into the cam and pull it down the frame to slightly below the top sash stopper. Using the screwdriver, turn the cam counterclockwise 90 degrees. This is to ensure that the cam is prepped to receive the pivot pins on the sash. Align the balances on either side of the frame, then reinsert the sash.